In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text within a table cell in a word processing document. Whether you're looking to create a unique layout for a project or simply trying to fit more data into a tight space, knowing how to manipulate text orientation within table cells can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in and explore this simple yet essential feature. First, you'll want to start by clicking into the table cell where you wish to rotate the text. This can be a single cell or several cells if you need to rotate text in multiple areas at once. By selecting the specific cells, you're preparing them for our next steps, and you'll notice that the selection makes the necessary options more accessible. Once you've selected your desired cells, your attention should shift to the ribbon at the top of your word processor. You might notice it looks a little different now that you've clicked into a table. This is because a new set of tabs has appeared. These are called Table Tools, and they're designed to help you work more effectively with tables. Specifically, you'll want to find the Layout tab, which contains a variety of alignment and organization options for your table. Within the Layout tab, there is an area called the Alignment group. Here, you'll find several options that cater to the positioning and orientation of text within table cells. Look for the button labeled Text Direction. This is your key to rotating text. By clicking on Text Direction, you trigger a cycle of text orientations. Your text will start horizontal, then rotate, presenting a new orientation each time you click the button. This cycling makes it incredibly easy to preview how your text will appear before settling on your preferred layout. After rotating the text, you might observe that it doesn't sit quite where you'd like it within the cell. This is where adjusting the text alignment becomes valuable. For more fine-tuned control, you can right-click the cell you've been working on and select Table Properties from the context menu that appears. Once inside, navigate to the Cell tab. Here, you can adjust the vertical alignment of your text with options like top, middle, or bottom. Alternatively, a quicker way to tweak the text position is to use the alignment options under the Layout tab. These are similar to what you might use in a regular text document, allowing you to align the text to the left, center, or right of the cell. Experimenting with these settings can help you achieve the perfect look for your table, ensuring the text is both visually appealing and easy to read. With that, you've successfully rotated and aligned your text within a table cell. This technique is a great tool to have in your digital toolbox. Thanks for watching, and happy formatting!